Hi, this is Cindy Wyckoff with Scrapbook Dimensions magazine. Welcome, and I'm going to show you how to take your image and add text over the top. First of all, you need to open your Adobe Photoshop Elements program. I'm using 4.0. Your version may be slightly different, but it's close enough to be able to figure out what we're doing. Next, we need to bring in the image, so click on File, Open, and grab your image. Okay, now what I'm going to do is lower the opacity of this photo so that the text shows better. Go over to your Layers palette, double click on the background layer, and you see how it opens up so you can rename it. Just click OK. Now we're going to add a new layer. Hold down the Control key and click on the new layer icon in the Layers palette. And what that does is it puts a new layer below your image. Now what we want to do is fill that new layer with white. And I really love shortcuts. So what I do on my PC is I hold down Control, Backspace, and it fills it with white. That's as long as over here on your foreground and background colors, they're set at default, which is black in the foreground, white in the background. If it's not, you can hit the D key and that will set it back to black in the foreground, white in the background. Okay, next click on layer 0, which is the layer of your image, and I'm going to lower my opacity down to about 40%. Now we're ready to add the text. So over on the left on the toolbar, click on the T, and I'm going to click and drag an area over the image. Now it's already set up here so that the typing will start in the center. If you want it different, you can go up here, click on left align text or right align text, or if it's not set that way, click on center text. I've chosen my text font and also the size that I want, and you can always adjust that later. Now I'm going to grab a quote that I found. I just stuck it in Notepad, and I'm going to select it and then copy it. Go back to Elements, click on Edit, Paste. Okay, not all of my quote is showing up, so down here at the bottom you can see a bounding box and a little square. And put your cursor over it until you get a double arrow, then click and drag and to lower it so that it fits. Then just click on the check mark to commit to that edit. And there you have it. You have your text over your image. If you need to change the size any, all you do is select your text, go up into the text box, and choose a different font size. There you go. Enjoy, have fun, and I'll see you next time.